Hi, I'm Aubrey Burton with WAC Lighting. Today we're going to be adding the recessed lighting. We've chosen some great fixtures from WAC Lighting. The first one we're going to do in the higher part of the tray, in the center here, we're going to be using Oculux Architectural. The Oculux Architectural is an all-in-one unit that's going to give you adjustability, about 980 lumens out of a 3.5 inch. It's also going to give you your entry into trimless. I've opted for square trimless because I am a glutton for punishment. It's my first time doing it, so we'll see if I can pull it off. And if I can do it, anybody should be able to. Here, I've also got our 1-inch Oculux with a haze reflector, which I think is really going to quiet the ceiling line. I'm going to use 2 of these over the sink above the window, so that'll be in the lower part of the tray ceiling. So I'm going to go ahead and get those installed, and then we'll put up the sheetrock. Thank you for watching. For more information about the Oculux Architectural or other great products, check us out at waclighting.com.